Hook midnight to 0:15.
95% of security breaches are caused by human error, but AI tools can reduce this risk by up to 80%.
Crazy, right? You're about to learn how. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI is changing everything. Recent news shows AI advancing fast. Companies are adopting AI tools now. You need to know what's working. Let's dive in. Notion 1 to 2:30. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Its AI-powered task management is a game changer.
Imagine you need to organize a project. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 a month.
Entrepreneurs need this.
Boost productivity and security with Notion.
Notion continued. Notion integrates with many apps. It's a centralized hub.
Your team can collaborate seamlessly.
Try Notion today. You'll love it. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. Its 80% success rate is impressive.
Imagine creating content. Instead of 2 days, Jasper does it in 1 hour.
It's $29 a month. Marketers need this. Jasper saves time and boosts results.
Jasper continued. Jasper creates engaging content.
It's like having a content team. Jasper's AI is powerful. It learns and adapts. Get Jasper now. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is AI-driven marketing automation. Its 30% conversion rate increase is huge. Imagine automating marketing. Instead of 10 hours, Claude does it in 30 minutes. It's free to try. Businesses need this. Claude drives real results. Claude continued. Claude's AI is smart.
It optimizes marketing campaigns.
Claude integrates with many tools. Try Claude today. You'll see results. Chat 5:30 to 6:30. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot. Its 95% response accuracy is amazing.